this video, we're gonna see how to add two matrices. Okay, and I will take the example of let's say 3, 1, 2, 0, and I want to add, let's say 4, -2, 1, 1. So the key is to remember that we just add the terms holding the same position. So 3 and 4, they go together, and I'm just gonna add them. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. So I have the first term of the results. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same for this term. So 1 and -2, they hold the same position, so they go together, so I just need to add them. So 1 -2 is giving me -1, right? So that's the second term, and we're almost done. So 2 and 1 hold the same position in the matrix, so I just need to add them as well. So 2 plus 1, 3, and it's the yellow term, and eventually as the last term, 0 goes with 1 there. They're the same position, so it's just going to be the sum of 0 plus 1, and that's 1. And you're done.